I'm going to quickly show you. Silk can be kind of tricky to put the pre-coat on. What you're going to want to do, obviously, is go to the basics. You get your foam brush. I like to use these 3-inch brushes. You take the fuzz off of it. You make sure there's no fuzz on your fabric. Now once you coat these and dry them, I suggest you put a little T up in the corner, which means the top, because some of these coatings you can't tell which side is up. So this is kind of a do as I say, not as I do. When you're using Inkade by the gallon, you don't want to dip into your pure gallons. You want to keep them clean, but today I'm just doing it. So you didn't see this. Okay, what I find with the silk is sometimes you have to take the brush. I hope you can see this on the video. You have to take the brush and go backwards because the silk moves a lot and it's very porous, and so you want to make sure, well, it's porous and then sometimes it doesn't get into the fabric, so you want to make sure it's getting into the fabric. And then as you move to the other side, see, and when you do it the other way, sometimes the silk moves a lot. When you go to the other side, you just do that, and you won't see a line in the print, and you want to make sure you get it saturated. The other thing you don't want to do is start putting your fingers all over the fabric once it's wet, because you'll have fingerprints in it, and then you might see that. It's funny because the very, very first YouTube video I did years ago, when I looked at it to review it, I had my hands all over the print as I was doing it. It was bad. You don't want to do that, and you don't want your the dirt from your hands and stuff to get on your piece. Okay, so now I'm going to set this aside and let it dry, and then when it is, I'm going to set it up to print it.